John Deaton posted on Twitter that they've just added to their document library the SEC's response to Ripple's motion to compel data on SEC employee trades of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Also, XRP is set to pioneer the private ledger upon which the central banks of the world would be launching their central bank digital currencies, with the Ripple corridor promising such features as a cost-effective, reliable, and instantaneous monetary transfer platform, the transaction processing speed of over 10,000 transactions per second, and the propensity to process over 100,000 in the future. That said, XRP is looking to be on the verge of breaking above its weeks-long resistance level of $1.30 much sooner than we think. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The document posted by John Deaton points out that the SEC had indicated that XRP didn't appear on the agency's list of prohibited crypto holdings until Friday, April 13, 2018, even though the commission still maintained that the market participants should have known that XRP was a security since 2013. Now, is this fair notice or market confusion? We're yet to find out from the judges. What's more, the SEC had also revealed that neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum have ever appeared on the Commission's prohibited cryptocurrency holdings watch list. This is a direct indication that the Ethereum token had long gotten a free pass for the agency's employees to trade the Ether coin, not just before the Hinman speech regarding Ethereum, but long after the Hinman statement from back in 2018. Adding to that, the SEC has refused to release any data whatsoever regarding the individual trading activities of SEC employees, in addition to that of their family members throughout the stipulated time, while also refusing to release Hinman's meeting calendar. Neither has the Commission responded to the production of those who had worked on the Hinman Ether speech. You can find out more on that in our previous videos. Right now, the clock is ticking for XRP, as we've got some big XRP update on the horizon for both Ripple and its native XRP asset. Having an efficiency of more than 60,000 times the average public blockchain is one of the critical features that would see XRP garnering mainstream adoption much quicker than any of its peers within the entire digital asset class. On the technical side, just as earlier stated in our last 2 or 3 videos or so, and contrary to popular belief, the current market is not in any way to be likened to that of the 2017 bull run, as we would be making a very wrong assumption to think that the market is going to see the same price actions as seen during that time. Now that we know that Bitcoin will not be having a repeat of the 2017 bull trend, we could check back on 2013 to see what happens next. Back in 2013, we could see some incredibly bullish momentum, as in the same time frame as we currently have. And if we're to look back to that time frame, we could see XRP making a similar structure to what we have at the moment, with the current trend looking more like a weird version of that in 2013. And having that in mind is relevant to our analysis. We've marked the 2 ellipses on the charts, the first fake pump we experienced, followed by a dump to a lower ratio, then from there on forward, we had a pump, retraced, had another push, this time with a smaller narrative. Following historical data, we should expect to see a dip right before we hit some significant upsurge for XRP. As fascinating as that sounds, it would coincide with a pump in the price of Bitcoin, which is more than likely before we encounter those explosive gains by the end of the year. Even though a handful of crypto experts attribute the current price rally to a manipulative effort from investors, mostly the whales, and not from a fundamental point of view, everything seems to align just the way we expected, as I expect to see the price of XRP further strengthen within the next few weeks as Bitcoin continues to drive the entire market, after comfortably breaking out of the $50,000 price margin to touch the $52,000 marker for the first time in months. Once again, XRP will come out as one of the biggest gainers, as it's known to have always been the last coin to pump, just before the end of every bull season. Invariably, the reward for those investors who had hodled the coin this long through all of that bearishness brought about by the months-long dip in the price of Bitcoin and the SEC lawsuit would eventually be massive, so stay tuned and hodl on further. XRP has made several reversals, with July being one of the most significant from a year-to-date perspective, right after going through a period of bearishness from its April high of almost $2. Since then, this coin has continued to be looking more bearish than most of these other cryptos, which had extended their bullishness until May, while XRP had lost nearly 75% of its value to reach the 50 cents marker. The reversal to the upside has not been too promising, with the 200 simple moving average colored in purple forming a strong resistance over the past week or two. A resistance level lingered on till the second week of August, during which the prices of the entire asset class started to see some gains, surged higher, and broke above the 200 SMA for XRP, to see XRP's price reaching above the $1.30 mark. However, that narrative was prone to the usual market swings, as XRP retreated to lower price margins again and is yet to revisit a close above that price level. And now the $1.30 price tag has become a solid resistance level for XRP, while the former resistance area around the $1 mark has become the support zone for quite some time now. Just as prices have been bouncing amid this range over the last 2 weeks, Bitcoin and the rest of the market have entered into a consolidation period. This consolidation period is reasonably necessary given the buyers need some time to reinforce the bullish momentum just as the prices break out of their current resistance zone of $1.30, which is imminent. Bitcoin has transcended from its $50,000 price and is headed for the $52,000 price marker on the bullish side. At the same time, Ethereum is well on its way to the $4,000 mark, which is to say that the bulls are regaining their position on the market, as Ripple seems to be making the most of that trend. Once we break out of the $1.30 price marker, our next resistance level would surpass the $1.50. And now, this. Ripple and SEC lawyers spotted entering a Washington, D.C. Applebee's together. Settlement discussions? We'll have to wait and see, but honestly, nothing good ever came out of an Applebee's. What would a victory or loss in the lawsuit mean for Ripple and for you as an XRP holder? Well, the answer to that lies in just how much longer you're willing to hodl this coin. A victory could mean more significant gains in the short term. However, since we've all established the fact that XRP's long-term existence will not be hampered by the ongoing lawsuit, it's become essential to note that a loss for Ripple in the ongoing case would only slow the growth pace of the XRP coin, as it can't completely obliterate the XRP token from the market. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood car